7 o'clock in the morning, wondering where my baby is. Said she was just hanging out with some friends, but something ain't right. Thinking, why am I uptight? Thoughts in my head, but in this empty bed, this issue's messing with my head. I can't believe her to be a cheater. I need her. Why does this heart pain's deeper? I need her. I can't reach her. Exhausted and traumatized. Look in my eyes. I'm tired of trying, not lying. Look in my eyes. To my soul, I was loyal. Now this is the final moment. Time to say goodbye forever. No forgiveness, no forgetting. Palms sweating. This relationship is no more. Hit the door. Time to say goodbye, goodbye. Forever, no more pain. No love remain. No need to explain. Oh no. Time to say goodbye, goodbye. Forever, no more pain. No love remain. No need to explain.